Hey, good afternoon from Scott Duckworth. And today we're going to be talking about when you need a new computer, where you're a business, company or individual. Should you buy new, or is buying a refurbished computer, is it worth it? We're going to unpack this thing here, and while I'm unpacking, I'm going to go ahead and just give you the figures on this thing here. I got this, I found this company online out of Jacksonville, Texas, not far from where I'm from. So, they had some really good prices. The reviews were good. Wow, okay. And it says in there, hey, they pack everything really good. Comes with a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, and I think you can even buy an extended warranty on it. So, looks like it even came with a brand new keyboard. Well, let's look and see. That's more than I expected right there. Folks, I would say that's brand new. Wow, okay. I did not expect a new keyboard. So right now, okay. Well, here we go. Hey, so far, I'm pretty happy. All right, let's keep going. Let's get to the guts of it. I did not expect a brand new keyboard. Okay, what a deal. So yeah, packing. Very tight packing stuff here. It's not going to be like the original packing you would normally get, but still. And let's see, here's the monitor. I'm going to bring it up to you. An Acer monitor. Okay, I'm good with that. I would say it looks close to being brand new. I see nothing that says, hey, it's not in excellent condition. Here's the back of it. I'm sure the rest of the stand is in there. So, and I believe that's a 24-inch monitor, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know what all this is. Okay, here's the stand. Hey, nice little stand for the thing there. Hey, so far this company is already on my good side, but let's wait. Let's get down to the good stuff. And it looks like we have all of our cables. Okay, you gotta have cables. So let's get to the good part. Let's get down to the nitty gritty. I'm gonna tell you what kind it is. It's gonna be a Dell. At least that's what I ordered. Well, a little heavy. Looks brand new. No, I'm sorry, HP. Okay, 32 megs of RAM. Let's fix that right quick. 32 megs of RAM. Here it is. I don't see any scratches on it at all. Looks brand new to me. So hey, let's see, discountcomputerdepot.com. I need to check that, but I'm quite sure. Discountcomputerdepot.com. I'll put that in the description. So hey, that's part one. That's just the unpackaging. What I plan on doing is, you probably can't see it very well over here, but what I plan on doing is going in and plugging everything in and doing the real test. And the reason I went ahead and ordered a computer, I needed something with a fair amount of memory in it, because I'm doing these videos. Most of my videos are actually done on an iPhone. So with that, I needed something. I'm upgrading my game. Going to be using my GoPro camera. So with that, this is part one. Oh, by the way, total cost, $322.99. And let me tell you, I think it actually listed for around $369 or $379. but I use the Capital Shopping app. Even though I do use Capital One on a credit card, I use the app and I got a discount of X amount of dollars, just do the math, and it took all that money off. So we'll talk about that again. So shipped and everything comes to a total, they call it free shipping, I'm sure it's figured in there, $322.99, 32 megs around. You can use this for gaming if you're a gamer. So for $300, call it $323, not a bad price. Let's get to part two. And hey, if I can save you money, I will. Thank you. This is Scott, and part two will be coming up hopefully today. If not, it will be tomorrow. Thank you again.